Today, we are going to discuss the differences between WhatsApp Business, the business channel provided by WhatsApp, and the official WhatsApp Application Programming Interface (API). This is what we use at Centribal for the integration of the instant messaging channel into the platform. On the one hand, we have the WhatsApp Business channel. To use it, you need a smartphone associated with a phone number connected to the internet. Although you may use this phone number through WhatsApp Web, this smartphone must still be connected to the internet. Using WhatsApp Business, you can create a company profile with your operating hours and the name of your business. In addition, it allows you to set up some preset quick answers which respond quickly to the most common questions from your customers. Also, you will receive a few basic statistics to inform you of how many messages are sent, delivered, read, and received. It should be noted that this is completely free. On the other hand, we have the WhatsApp Business API. In this case, you will no longer need a smartphone since you will have a digital number issued by a provider. In addition to the aforementioned benefits, the API allows all your agents to use the channel with the same number and thus automate your processes with the integration of chatbots and CRM, acquiring all the potential that this entails. However, these features come at a cost. In this case, you have to pay to access the API in addition to a proper configuration. Finally, WhatsApp Facebook has a page dedicated to its official providers. As it can be seen, it is quite a short list. In the case of Centribal, we are official providers through Zendesk, acting as master partner. Remember, to integrate WhatsApp into your automated support strategy, you just need to request it directly from Centribal Platform in the Integrations tab.